Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will be doing the finger coiling tutorial with the Camille Rose Naturals Almond J Twisting Butter. This is it. It's my first time using it, so we're gonna see how this goes today. It has like sweet almond milk and honey. It's really used for like coils and transitioners, which like I recently cut my hair, so all the dead ends is gone and stuff. So the ingredients are really good. It's all natural based, no paraben or sulfate. Okay, so the main thing it says, it's for extra moisture and elongation, so like moisture, and hopefully my hair will not shrink that much, because I've seen like a lot of reviews and this product do shrink some of the curly girl hairs that I've seen, but every hair is different, you know. So we're gonna test this out. My hair is not wet. My hair is disgusting right now. I don't even know what day hair it is. I look like a poodle. Yeah, look at that frizz though. But I'm gonna go wash my hair and then I'll be back and then we'll start the finger coiling. I am back with fresh hair. I had to put in a towel. Remember, don't use a towel. I meant to say a t-shirt. So don't use a towel because that will give you more frizz. So I washed my hair. Freshly washed. I was doing treatments in my hair like all this week and like oils just to make it more hydrated. I used this mask yesterday. Yep, this is the bottom. If you want me to do like a review on it, just comment down below and I'll do it. This is my hair with no products right now, freshly cleaned. Okay, so we're gonna start the finger coiling thing with this. Okay, so this is it. It's really thick. And then the consistency, it's creamy. It's really thick. It's not really that greasy. It's just really creamy. I'm just literally gonna do this, apply it. Okay, so you're gonna get pieces of hair, separate them, make sure it's detangled, and then what you wanna do is you're gonna curl. If it's like, okay, so like I'm not touching this right now, so if it's curling towards your face, you curl towards your face. If it's curling away from your face, curl away from your face. You're not trying to mess it up. You're just really trying to define your curls. So this one is going away from my face. Make sure you start from the crown. I need to separate this. Make sure you start from the crown, because if you don't start from your crown, my gosh, I've done this before. Literally, it just leaves like puff right here, and your curls are really defined. Like, it looks so weird. So start from your crown. See? Ooh. Ooh. So you're gonna use the Camille Rose Almond, what is this called? Almond J Twisting Butter on it. And then you're gonna start twisting. Okay, so the crown part, I do it last because it's like where you part it. So if you want to part it to this side, you twist your braids that way. If you want to part it that side, you want to twist your braids that way. So this is it, guys. It's so bouncy. So this is what I used: Camille Rose Naturals, the Almond J Twisting Butter, which is best for coiling and transitioning hair. So I do like it so far. There's frizz in the top, probably because I didn't really go through with the roots that well. It's really bouncy. It's giving me some shrinkage, but it's not that bad. Hopefully when it's 100% dry, it won't shrink more than this. Maybe just a little bit, but that's it. This is the final thing. Look at that. Can't see. I'll add oil because it does seem a little bit dry. I'm just gonna use some coconut oil. I literally just got this from Walmart. It's just coconut oil. I'm gonna gently put the oil on it. More so on the ends because that's where it's really dry. But this will just make my hair look shinier, healthier, moisturized. You can put it on your scalp too. That will also create volume. And you'll put the oil in. Sheesh, look at that. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this looks really good. But yeah, this is the final look.